versus Kay Inday. That's the beginning fireworks. Ariana Shabazz Ebe, Ariana Mimo, Nico Angel, Rachel Skip, Sangandaan, and Region Talisman is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, Kay Inday running by the racing wide. That's Nicole Angel together with Rachel Skip. Fireworks, Kay Inday is nicking down in Salawi's Ariana Mimo. Then following so in for short as ever, Nicole Angel, Rachel Skip, and Sangandaan. Now racing last, Ariana Mimo, Kay Inday, parking out for Aida. Then racing in third position is Fireworks. Short as ever, now trying to get closer in fourth together with Nicole Angel. Ariana Mimo takes the lead, Kay Inday sharp as ever. Nicole Angel is running by Brava, but it's still Ariana Mimo, Kay Inday, Nicole Angel sharp as ever as they come down at the last 150 with Ariana Mimo by about 2 lengths. Nicole Angel sharp as ever is on the outside. Ariana Mimo, Nicole Angel is on the outside. Ariana Mimo, Nicole Angel, but it's still Ariana Mimo, Nicole Angel, and finally Ariana Mimo, Nicole Angel, sharp as ever, Agent Talisman, Kay Inday for your Pentapecta.
It's the two-horse, Ariana Mimo, beating the top choice, Nicole Angel by a neck. At mapaparin nyo sa instant replay na pero nakabirya yung Nicole Angel. Bumuka dun sa unang kurbada, tapos medyo di malaman kung sa tatakbo, pero nandun pa rin sa meta.